guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, oh wait, let's just do the intro. So, this is the bag. Manang ihatag ni Dimples. If you don't know her, just naadira ang iyang Facebook link account nadira sa description below. So ako ni I need some scissors. Wait, naman din. Oh, okay, that's okay. So, open. Pemaani. There it is, Dara. Kailangan kong gaan. Nga na ito. Pwede sa niling yung makuha. Okay. Ayun, may butang dala. Lucky donut. I think this is honey. Ay, yeah. This class. Umitang usang na ikan. Okay. Ano yung sala to yun? That's okay, guys. I like green also. Okay. Ayos na ikot ni kay iPhone 6. So next, bag. Bag na sa so kani una, like green, my favorite. Not my favorite color. I mean akong favorite color na. So guys, buti ka na ako mint akong color, favorite color. Ano yung pabutang? Cute. I love you more. So ato ni after that, ta-da! New touch guys. Sinat yun na. Ibog mo no. Okay. So, kami na saan. I-open na to. Nindot mo. ASMR. Sorry, ating butang doon. I think this is my favorite. Hindi ko siya mabutang. So, now, unsa ko ni Anade.
If you don't start a conversation.
Let's eat this.
If you don't start a conversation, why should you?
What? Mabag.
If you don't start a conversation,
Ang tasting duha sa kabuok.
conversation.
Pink or green? Oh, pink. Ay, green. Honey. Thank you so much, Tita Dimples. Thank you, Jud, kayo. Magkaparihas, Jud, minute ka kang ani og bago.
If you don't start
Huh? Okay naman. Thank you very much. Mauna to akong video and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye! See you in the next video.